Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will show you how you can easily create your own professional looking email signature in Gmail just like this. So if you're a freelancer or you usually communicate with your prospect clients or customers from Gmail, then this is very important for you to have your own professional looking email signature. This can help you get that positive or impressive impressions from your prospect clients and customers, and also it will give you high possibility that they might hire you for the project because of your email looks so professional and it looks so amazing. So this is a perfect tip on how you can get more clients as a freelancer and how you can win big projects. So if you're excited guys, without further ado, let's dive in. And I will be using my laptop to show you the step-by-step process on how you can create this beautiful, look professional email signature.
So first, you need to visit gmail.com and just log into your Gmail account. So I already logged into my account here. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your settings. So your settings will be located here at the top right corner. You can see the gear icon. Just click on it. And here, just click this See All Settings. And here under your settings, just scroll down and look for signature. That will be here at the bottom. As you can see, here's the signature. And right now, I don't have any signature here. So click the Create New. And here, just name your new signature. So for example, I will type here, Kit for Work. And I will go ahead and create that one. So this will be like an album. So here you can start creating your own signature. So for simple signature, you can just do like this. Like for example, Kit for Work. And then I can add it here, Upwork Freelancer. And then I will add the services that I provided here from Upwork, like social media manager, and then social media designer. Let me correct this one. And then lastly, a video editor. And here I can also attach my Upwork link so that my clients that I will be sending this email can also check my Upwork profile if they want to. And by the way, guys, you can also change this one to bold, and you can also change font style. So let's go ahead and make use of Comic Sans. Okay, something like that. And then down here, you have your signature default settings. So for new email use, you can make use of your Kit for Work signature. You can, by the way, add more signature here. So you can just create here, like for example, for your freelancing work, then you can also add a new signature here for your friends, for example, or family. When you send a email to your family or friends, you can also have a different signature for that. So it will depends on you. And once you have more than one signature here, then you have an option here also to make use of. So right now we have the one signature, which is this one. So I will go ahead and choose this. So for every new email that I will be using, then this signature will automatically be added. And also here I have an option to add signature on the reply or forward use. So you can also add your signature on your replies or forward emails, but I will not gonna add any signature for replies because I think that is kind of annoying of seeing your signature multiple times on the replies from single email. So I will just go ahead and keep no signature for this one. And then I will just leave this as it is because we don't have any signature for reply. And then down here, just go ahead and click Save Changes. So here, when you create a new email, for example, let's compose an email. And as you can see here, you have your email signature added automatically to your email. But this email signature is so simple and it doesn't look professional. This kind of email signature will not amaze or it can't impress any client. So let's go ahead and make this email signature more professional and look amazing. So let me just close this one. And then over here from this like a cube icon, just click on it and then just go ahead and right click the drive to open the link in a new tab. So we will go into our Google Drive and from here just go ahead and click this add icon and go to Google Docs. So from Google Docs, it's where we can create our professional looking email signature because it's more easier to do it here and we will just copy and paste it to our email signature later on. I will show you everything guys, so don't worry. So the first thing that we need to do is go to your insert. So I'm sorry guys, my language turned Tagalog, so I will just go ahead and change it to English. Bear with me for a moment. Alright, so I just changed my language here to English. I do apologize for that. So let's go ahead and continue with our tutorial. So first go to insert and here we going to insert table. So we will be using 2 by 1 table. So just like that. And then let me just move it here. And then let's just go back to our Gmail and let's go ahead and copy everything here and then let's paste it to our Google Docs over here just like that. And then the next thing that we can do is we can insert the image here, our image, so that it will look professional and look amazing. So let's go ahead and go to insert image and then let's upload an image from our computer. So I have this one here. I will go ahead and add this, so something like that. And this is too big, so just click on this image and then you can resize it according to your like. Alright, so something like that. And here we need to move this one a little bit to the left. This doesn't look professional and it doesn't look good. It's very messy to look at, so I will just go ahead and copy this one for later on. Like here, sorry for that. Let me just copy just the link. And then let me delete that. And what we can do here is that we can add an icon here and then we can attach from that icon the link. So to look for an icon guys that you can make use of, we're going to make use of our Google, of course. So for Upwork, I will go ahead and search for Upwork logo PNG. And then I will just go ahead and go to image result and I will click tools and from the color I will go ahead and click transparent to make it more easier and make sure that everything that we can see here are transparent. So I like this one. I will go ahead and click this. So we have this background. So to make sure that this is a transparent, because some images is not a transparent image, this is like a scam. So to make sure that this is real, you just need to right click and then open image in a new tab. So if this will not appear, then it means that this is a transparent. So let's see. Okay, as you can see here, there is no background, so it means that this is a transparent. So let me go ahead and save this image. All right, I will add it here. And then what we can do, let's go back to our Google Docs. And here, let's go ahead and insert the image. So I will just go ahead and insert an image, upload from computer. And we have our image here that we just downloaded. Click on it and then open it. And it will be added here. It's so big. So let me just go ahead and resize it. Alright, so let's make it more smaller. And then from here, you right click and then look for insert link. So let's click on it And here I can paste the link that I copied earlier and then apply. So this is now a clickable icon. And you can also add your Facebook here, your Instagram, your LinkedIn. So again, guys, just go ahead and look for the logo here, for example, for the LinkedIn. And then go to tools and then change the color to transparent. And then just select the image here and then open the image in a new tab and then check on it to make sure that it's a transparent, and then you can download it and add it in your signature. So that's how you can do it. Alright, so I guess that's good now. So again, guys, you can add more social media here if you like to. So the next thing that we can do is to remove the border. So just click it here. And then over here, just go here. This is the border width. So just go ahead and set this one to 0. As you can see, it removed. So let me just go ahead and also click it here. Make it 0. And then this one as well, 0. And this one as well, 0. So as you can see, we removed the borders. So this one is not labeled. So let me just go ahead and enter. Okay, I guess that's better now. So I will just go ahead and then copy this one. And I will go back to my Gmail, and here from your settings to your signature, I will just go ahead and paste this. So as you can see, I'm able to copy and paste this one more easier. And I will just go ahead and remove this one. Alright, so I guess that's look good now. And I will just keep all the settings here that we did earlier. And I will just go ahead and click Save Changes. So after that, let's go ahead and click Compose. And then as you can see, I have my professional email signature here added to my email. So if I'm your client, if I see your email and you have this email signature, I will be impressed and I will think that you are really professional and I like to hire you because your email looks so good. So that's how you can do it, guys. And by the way, guys, if you don't want your email signature to be added automatically to your new email, then you can also turn it off. So just go back to your settings, see all settings. So just go to your signature again, and over here, just select this one, no signature for your new email use. So what you can do here is that you can manually add the signatures. So for example, we go ahead and compose a new email. So here you have this pen icon down here and you can just click on it and you have your signature here. So you can manually add your signature. So just click on it and as you can see, our signature has been added. So that's how you can do it manually, or you can also set this one up automatically. It depends on you. So if you have any question, just comment down below. And I hope that you learned something today. Also like this video if you learned something. Thank you so much.